Gilbert, a cheerful Canadian Jamaican tourist, arrived in Jamaica eager to explore his ancestral homeland. He spent his days lounging on sun-drenched beaches and sampling spicy jerk chicken. But one afternoon, feeling adventurous, Gilbert decided to venture into the lush hills away from the crowded resorts. As he wandered deeper into the verdant landscape, he noticed a narrow, winding trail that seemed almost hidden among the thick foliage. Intrigued, he followed it until he reached a towering cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea. The view was breathtaking, but what caught his attention was a faint, melodic whisper carried by the breeze. Gilbert approached the cliff's edge cautiously. The whisper grew clearer, almost like a voice calling his name. Suddenly, the air shimmered, and a strange, luminous symbol appeared etched into the rocks beside him. The whispering voice explained that the cliff was a relic of an ancient, advanced civilization that once thrived in harmony with nature, and that it held secrets of energy sources beyond modern understanding. The voice urged Gilbert to listen closely, revealing that the cliff's whisper was a message from the past, a warning and a gift. It spoke of energy crystals buried deep within the hills, sources of power that could revolutionize the world if harnessed wisely, but also danger if misused. Realizing the significance, Gilbert knew he was standing at the crossroads of history. As the whisper faded, he looked out over the sea, feeling both humbled and energized. He pledged to protect the secret, promising to share its knowledge only with those who would respect its power. With a renewed sense of purpose, Gilbert headed back down the trail, the mysterious whisper echoing in his mind, forever changed by the secrets of the Whispering Cliff.